Violet, sit down a minute.
What's up?
Just sit. I want you to promise me something.
Okay.
If you ever go to Hawaii, don't take plastic bags to the beach.
What?
Well, the wind blows them into the water, and the ancient sea turtles think they're jellyfish, and they eat them, and then they die. Which is tragic. Ancient sea turtles are magnificent creatures.
What?
It's what my mother told me when she found out I was having sex.
I have no idea what you're talking about, and I'm not having sex.
Violet, don't lie to the woman who does your laundry. I can read the stains like tea leaves. And just so you know, I got pregnant when I was a teenager, and don't take this the wrong way, it ruined my life.